Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sell stocks on eToro. First, open the eToro app and log in to your account. Tap on Portfolio at the bottom of your screen. Look for the stock you want to sell. For example, NVIDIA, and tap on it. You'll now see all your open positions for that stock. Tap on the position you want to sell. Tap on the Close button. Choose Close All to sell all shares of that stock or enter a specific amount if you only want to sell part of it. Confirm the transactions and your stock will be sold instantly at the current market price. And that's it. That's how to sell stocks on eToro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.